Alright, cold start number 2. It's a little easier today. It's 42 degrees today in January. Crazy. But it won't be that way for the next few days. So we're going to do the Craftsman. I don't know, this thing's kind of finicky. Probably get a wet ass on this one too. Let's see if I can get this mount on there. This thing seems to... there we go. Doo-doo-doo. This thing hasn't been ran since I parked this some bitch. Nice. Oh, she's not very tight. What the fuck? Oh. Come on, Bessie. Oh, nice, dude. So it's so damn dirty, the thing won't stick. I put some lube on it. It's my V-twin Harley motorcycle lawnmower thingy. Where's that dog? On my hitch pin. How the thing puke a belt? I don't know, man. It's all on there, man. Or not. Hey, get over here. No, it's not. Cocksucker blew right off. Got a situation. I'll go show you. What, you causing trouble over there? Look. I don't know if you can see that or not. That damn belt popped right off there. Just from sitting. So, let me put you on hold. 1 second.